Alright guys, so you see me here cutting out another window tint template from the Xpel DAP software. Want to know what color it is? It's a cool one. It's a very rare one nowadays because you don't see that many. We'll show you in a bit, so stick around. Let's tint another cool car. It's all coming up next. There we go. Patterns are going up. This, my friends, is Xpel XR Plus. This is our 15% ceramic, top of the line, the pinnacle of all window films, Xpel XR Plus, blocking a whopping 98% of the infrared light from coming in. Looks cool, keeps you cool. All I'm doing here is just weaving out the pattern that I cut out with the software. All right, if you guys stuck around, you know, I gotta let you know which car it was, and it's the BMW M4. Check it out. It's beautiful. M4 competition package with the carbon fiber diffuser. Came with the carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber grille. These are very hard to get right now. And my customer got a hold of one, and this is it. Beautiful M4. Well guys, this was a quick one. I just wanted to showcase the window tint services that we offer. We did a full Xpel XR Plus on the full windshield. This is a 70% clear film. This is 15% Xpel XR Plus all around, and as you can see, this darkness, it's very nice. It goes really well with the all blackout accents that the car has. I hope you guys could find this M4 because from what I heard from the customer, he ordered his back in July until now he got it, so they're very sought after right now, and I can see why. Beautiful machines. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.